Here's a look at 3 ways to utilize the flood concept. First way is your traditional way. You're going to get an outside release vertical from 3. You're going to get a deep out from 2 and a speed out from 1. All right, we call this one flood. All right, same concept, just different players attacking different areas. 3's going vertical, 2's executing speed out, and 1's going to execute the deep out. And here's a switch flood. 3 and 2 are switch releasing, so 2's going to outside release, go vertical. Now he's going to be the vertical player. 3 is going to inside release, restack, and then break on a deep out. And then 1's going to be the speed out player. So we're sending 3 over 2 defenders. Whether it's cover 2 or cover 3, the defense will only have 2 defenders, and we're sending 3. Now QB is going to read top down. We're always going to look deep, mid to shallow. Always read it top down.